Second is I'm going to demonstrate to you how to make the carrot cakes that you've been learning about in your lesson. For your mise en place, which means to get everything ready, I have already preheated the electric oven to 180 degrees, or if you're using gas, gas mark 5. The equipment that you will need will be a muffin tray, and these are slightly larger than the small fairy cake trays that you may be used to, and the individual muffin cases as well. So these need to be a little bit deeper. You'll need about 6 for this recipe. You also need to get out your mixing bowl. You'll need a measuring jug, you'll need a grater, a wooden spoon, fork and a spoon. In your mixing bowl, you're going to place your self-raising flour, your bicarbonate of soda, and that's going to help make your muffins rise a little bit more, your brown sugar. If you don't have brown in school and you only have white, that's absolutely fine. And your grated carrot. These need to be top and tailed, washed, grated, and I recommend that you grate them 100 grams of pre-grated carrot on the cheese side of the grater. Place that into your mixing bowl and just give all those ingredients a stir around. To help the carrots not sink to the bottom of the paper cases or any dried fruit that you're using, it's useful just to coat in the flour, and that will help it all from sinking. The liquid part of the carrot cakes are 3 ingredients. The first is an egg. Check that the egg is in date and fresh. Crack that into a measuring jug and just give that a good whisk. Lots of bubbles, so you know the egg yolk and the albumin are all mixed together. To this we're going to add 75 mils of vegetable oil, and a tablespoon of milk, any milk that you use at home. And again, give that a good mix together. You then take your mixing bowl, make a well in the middle, and pour in the milk mixture. Give this a good stir, get everything mixed together, a good coating. The consistency is slightly more battery compared to a Victoria or an all-in-one mixture that you may have previously made. Keep all the mixture down in the bottom of the bowl, don't let it creep up the sides, then you know it's all completely mixed. It's very easy to do, and that is everything that's in the bowl that you need. You now need to take your muffin tray with the paper cases, and I recommend for this now a dessert spoon, and you're going to fill each paper case 3/4 full. Please don't fill it any more or any less, because you want a nice risen mixture. About 2 dessert spoons in each paper case will be about right. If you do spill any mixture on the tray, just wipe it off, and then that will not bake onto the tray. And that's all you need to do. Just make sure all the mixture is scraped out. Those are then going to go into your preheated oven for approximately 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes and you've taken your muffins out, take a skewer, make sure it's clean, and to test that the cakes are cooked, put the skewer in the middle, gently take the skewer out, and if the skewer is clean, then the cakes are also cooked. You can also do the spring back test. You put your finger in the middle of the cake, let it press down, and it should spring back as well. It shouldn't look shiny on top. When you've taken them out, carefully take the muffins out, put them onto a cooling rack until they're absolutely cold, and if you wish, you can then put the cream cheese frosting on. That is optional, and enjoy. And that is how to make your muffins.